Here's a great deal on a 2006 Mazda 3. This four-door, five-passenger sedan has not yet reached the 100,000-kilometer mark. Under the hood, you'll find a four-cylinder engine with more than 150 horsepower, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. A wealth of standard features means that you no longer have to sacrifice, such as remote keyless entry, one-touch window functionality, a tachometer, a trip computer, an outside temperature display, and more. Audio features include a CD player with AM/FM radio, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 6 well-positioned speakers. Mazda also prioritized safety and security with features such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, brake assist, a security system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. You'll never lose visibility with rain-sensing wipers, which activate automatically when the drops start to fall. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.